New details in the countdown to deportation, ruling for an Army combat veteran in federal detention. Today, Congressman Vicente Gonzalez announced he's filed a private bill which would allow veteran Edgar Baltasar Garcia to receive an immigration visa or adjustment of status. Derek Garcia has been following this story for months. Derek, this private bill is specific for Baltasar.
The bill, according to Congressman Vicente Gonzalez, is to give him an immigration visa or adjustment of status that would lawfully allow him to be a permanent resident upon filing an application for a visa under the Immigration and Nationality Act.
Why Congressman Gonzalez has not done everything in his power to champion one of his constituents. We're getting to the 0 hour, and we need Congressman Gonzalez to act.
Carlos Luna, president of Green Card Veterans, a branch of LULAC, suggested Congressman Vicente Gonzalez file a bill to help Army veteran Edgar Baltasar. Gonzalez did just that, asking for relief and allow the combat vet to receive an immigration visa. Baltasar's case is gaining national attention. In 2018, he was convicted of assault with a deadly weapon. In Veterans Court, he was sentenced to probation and has been compliant with his court orders since. Baltasar is also a legal permanent resident. However, nearly 3 months ago, he was detained while attempting to re-enter the United States from Reynosa at a port of entry. He was detained because as a lawful permanent resident with a felony conviction, they are not allowed to re-enter the U.S. However, the court that granted him probation also approved the trip to Reynosa, making the situation a mess, according to his attorney. Immigration Judge Barbara Figueroa said she needs more time to look over his case and will release a statement possibly before the end of this week.
They were hoping to be able to see him once he got out of here.
The timeline is an emotional roller coaster for Baltasar's wife, Jennifer, who's also a veteran.
And we're placing our faith. Hopefully everything works out and we have our family whole again.
Now, the clock is ticking. Congressman Vicente Gonzalez tells us that the bill has been referred to the House committee, where it is expected to be under consideration soon. And he also sent a statement to Local 23 saying, "We must send a strong and clear message that we stand by veterans at all times." In Brownsville, Derek Garcia, Local 23 News. Brenda, back to you.
All right, Derek, thank you. H.R. 2394 is awaiting review and consideration of the House Committee on the Judiciary. You can count on Local 23 News to bring you the latest on this developing story.